If you've ever opened a post on X, formerly Twitter, and wondered where certain replies went, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to check hidden replies on Twitter, step by step, in a simple way that anyone can follow. This is really helpful if you're trying to see the full conversation, check context, or find replies that the post author chose to hide from the main thread. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open X and go to the tweet you want to inspect. This can be any public post where you suspect some replies may be hidden. Once the tweet is open, look carefully around the top right area of the post for the three dots icon. This is the menu icon, and it gives you more options for that specific tweet. Now, if the tweet has hidden replies, you may also notice a hidden replies icon near the tweet details. It usually looks like a speech bubble with a line through it. That icon is your clue that some replies have been filtered out of the main view by the tweet author. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the post area carefully because it can be easy to miss. Once you find the hidden replies icon, click it or tap it if you're on mobile. After that, X will open a page showing the replies that were hidden from the main conversation. This lets you see more of the discussion and understand what people were saying underneath the original post. A quick tip here, if you're checking hidden replies because you want the full context of a conversation, make sure to also read the replies in order. Sometimes the hidden comments are reactions, corrections, or extra details that change the meaning of the thread. So don't just skim them. Take a moment to review them properly. If you're using the mobile app, the process is basically the same. Open the tweet, look for the menu dots, watch for the hidden replies icon, and tap it to reveal the hidden comments. On desktop, it works the same way, so whether you're on a phone, tablet, or computer, you can follow these steps without any trouble. And that's it. You now know how to check hidden replies on Twitter or X in just a few simple steps. It's a quick trick, but it can make a big difference when you want to see the full conversation instead of only the visible replies. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.